Let me ask you something. Have you ever looked at something and thought, this is beautiful, but I wish it looked a little bit more like me, just a little bit? Or perhaps you have heard something small, a piece of fabric, a flower, a shell, a seed, a little object that nobody else would think twice about, but to you it carries a memory. Well, that's where I come in. Or at least that's where I'm hoping I come in. Because this is unique creation Zimbabwe, and honestly I'm still figuring out exactly how unique we are going to get. But I know one thing. I want to create things that make you stop and say, wait, I've never seen that before. So welcome, this is my little corner of creativity, using resin, memories, experiments, clay, different materials, probably making a few mistakes along the way. And I'm inviting you to come along for the ride. So, who is behind Unique Creation? My name is Immaculate and I'm the person behind Unique Creation Zimbabwe. Now, I wish I could tell you that I have everything figured out, but I don't. In fact, if you're expecting to meet someone who has been doing resin for 25 years, there's a factory somewhere and there's a secret formula locked up in a cell or in a safe, it's definitely not me. I'm afraid you're going to be disappointed. I am learning, I'm experimenting, I'm trying new things, I'm discovering what works and what doesn't, making a lot of mistakes and rectifying them, learning from them, and sometimes I'm discovering what does not work at all. And if you stick with me, we will learn together. But at the same time, I still think there's something beautiful about failure. Failure does not have to be ugly, it could also be beautiful. Because this business is not about the finished product, it's also about the journey, and it's also about my relationship with you. This is also a journey of becoming, the journey of taking an idea that exists only in your head and asking yourself, okay, but how do I actually make this thing? And then you research, and then you do experiments, you fail, and then you win. Sometimes you fail, and then win. Sometimes the answer is YouTube, sometimes it's Google, sometimes it's trial and error, sometimes it's TikTok, and sometimes it's error again. Just like that. And then you give up on that particular piece and then you try something or you try another method. But every time I learn something new, I become a little better than I was yesterday. That's the important thing. And that's what I want Unique Creation Zimbabwe to be about. Learning and growing. Making unique, beautiful pieces. Creating, learning, improving. So why resin earrings? Now let's talk about earrings, right? Because who would have thought that a little bit of resin could cause so much excitement and so much stress at the same time? You start a beautiful idea in your head, you mix your resin, you add a little glitter, you add a little color, you put in your little decoration, you wait, and then you come back expecting a masterpiece, right? And sometimes you have a masterpiece, and sometimes you have a very expensive lesson. But that's the beauty of handmade. I love creating things because it gives me the freedom to experiment. I can take something ordinary and give it a completely different life. I can reuse things that we've already used. A little piece of fabric, a beautiful seed, a shell, flower, something inspired by our African culture, African textures and colors, something simple, something bold, something that makes you say, yes, that's my kind of earring. And that's really what I want to do. I don't want to make earrings just for the sake of making earrings. I want to create pieces that have personality like you. I want to make pieces that have attitude. I want to make pieces that define you without saying a word. Because I believe the things we wear can say something about us. Sometimes even before we say anything at all. Just first impression, and we already know what you're trying to tell us. I didn't choose the word unique because I think everything I make will automatically be perfect. No. I chose it because I believe that the person wearing the piece is unique. You are not a mass-produced person. You are a unique creature, a unique creation. with your unique needs, wants, likes, dislikes, and style. So why should everything you wear feel mass produced? Maybe you like colors that nobody else understands. Maybe you like patterns that nobody else understands. Maybe you have a specific idea in your head. Maybe you saw something somewhere and thought, I want that, but in my colors. Or maybe you have your own material that you want to turn into something wearable. That's where I meet you. That's where I want to meet you. That's where I come in. You bring the idea, I bring the creativity, the curiosity, and hopefully enough material. And then we make something beautiful together. And I think that's the exciting part, because sometimes the most interesting creations aren't the ones that I plan. They are the ones that happen when something says, I have this, can you do something with it? And I say, let's see. That's where the magic can happen. Unique Creations Bubble isn't only about earrings, it's also about the memories. This is the part of my business that I think can become very special, because we all have things that mean something to us. Sometimes they are big things, sometimes they're incredibly small. But the size of the object doesn't determine the size of the memory. It could be a piece of fabric from a special occasion, a dried flower, something from a wedding, something from a graduation, something connected to someone that you love, or something that reminds you of a chapter in your life that you don't want to forget. To someone else, it might look like just a piece of something, but to you, it's a story. And I think stories deserve a place. That's why I want to explore the world of personalized mementos. Taking something meaningful and finding a creative way to preserve it. Something that you can hold, something you can look at, something that can make you smile and say, I remember this. And I think that's one of the most beautiful things about creating with resin. Is basically a preservative for a lot of things. Sometimes you're helping preserve the feeling attached to it as well, not just the object itself. Even all that I've said, what can you expect from me? Well, expect the unexpected. Okay, you will see resin earrings, you will see personalized pieces, you will see mementos, you will see me trying new techniques, you will see experiments, and you will see me learning. And yes, you can occasionally see something that makes me say, okay, let's pretend that never happened. It also happens. But you will see me also trying new material as well. I'm not going to just be a resin person. I'm planning on clay already, and I haven't even have mastered resin yet. So we'll see as we go. But I also want this channel to be a place where you can bring your ideas. Maybe you have a design you have been thinking about. Maybe you're something sentimental that you don't know what to do with. Maybe you're looking for a gift that doesn't feel like you bought it 5 minutes before the party. Or maybe you simply want something that feels personal. Something that says, this was made with you in mind. That's the kind of experience I want to create. And I also want to learn from you. Maybe you have tips that I haven't known yet, and you can tell me and I can learn. And I want to emphasize on this. I honestly want to say to you, I am still learning. I'm not an expert yet. Yes, I have possible skills now comparing to when I began, but I'm still learning, okay? I'm not coming here pretending to know everything, because I don't. And things are always changing, and materials are always being improved. So let's keep that in mind throughout this journey. I want you to see the process, the back office, not just the polished final product, because maybe you are also someone with an idea that keeps saying, one day I'll start. Maybe you are waiting until you're perfect. Maybe you are waiting until you have all the equipment. Maybe you are waiting until you know something. Well, I'm learning that sometimes you have to start while you are still figuring things out. So that's what I'm doing. I'm starting, I'm learning, I'm creating, I'm growing. And if you're willing, I'd love for you to grow with me. At the heart of Unique Creations Zimbabwe, I want there to be 3 things: creativity, meaning, individuality. I want to create things that feel personal, things that have a story, things that make you feel like someone didn't just pick something from the shelf and add it to you. Someone thought about you, someone created something for you, someone preserved something that mattered to you. And perhaps years from now, you will look at the piece and remember exactly why you chose it. If I can create something that gives you that feeling, then I think I've done something worthwhile. That's all there is to Unique Creations Zimbabwe. still growing, still learning, still experimenting, still asking resin questions, clay questions, lace questions, cloth questions, seed questions, still fighting with my drill, with my canvas, with my filers, all those things. Still sticky, all those things, yeah. But most importantly, still creating. So if you would like to come along on this journey, subscribe to the channel. If you have an idea for something you'd like me to create, tell me in the comments. And if you have a memory that you think deserves to be turned into something beautiful, well, maybe one day we can create that together. Who knows? We can end up collaborating. Anyway, my name is Immaculate. This is Unique Creation Zimbabwe. Welcome to this part of my journey. This is only the beginning. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.